Good morning, students. It is your English period, English language, chapter 14, adjective. You have already read what are adjectives. Yes, the describing words are called adjectives. It is your grammar book. It is green in color, it is yellow in color, and it is a very interesting book for children. It is so these words interesting, good, yellow, green, these are describe this book. So these words are called adjectives. Today we will write some exercises in book. So open your book and start your work. Open page number 47. Exercise A. Write down the classwork and date 4/12/2020. The exercise is read the following passage carefully. Underline the adjectives. Listen very carefully. Underline the adjectives. Okay. And encircle the nouns. You will encircle the nouns and underline the adjectives. They describe and then write both in the concerned columns below. Here are two columns. First is adjective and second for noun. After that, same adjective and one for noun. So, you first underline the adjective. Small is adjective. Encircle in boy because boy is noun. Beautiful adjective. Toys noun. Dresses also noun. All my relatives and siblings loved me very much. My parents were quite kind and caring towards me. Parents, noun, and quite kind, caring are adjectives. They always fulfilled my childish demands. Demands, noun, childish, adjective. My grandparents were also very soft and considerate towards me. Soft and considerate, underline the both adjectives. And then whenever I made silly mistakes, they came between me and my parents and protected me. Silly adjective, mistakes, noun. Though my grandfather was quite old, but he was very active. You will encircle the grandfather and underline in quite old and active. He would get up early and take me for a long walk along a broad road and through a beautiful garden. Here, encircle in garden and underline in these words: early, long, broad, road. Is it clear? Now start your write. You will write all the adjectives in the adjective column. Small is here already. Next, beautiful. 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 Then quite. 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 Kind. Kind. Caring. Childish. Childish. Soft. considerate, considerate, considerate. Next adjective is silly, then quite, again quite, quite, old, early, long, 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 broad, 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 and last is beautiful. Is it clear, beta? Beautiful. Now we will write the nouns. First is boy, second toys, 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 dresses, 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 parents, parents, parents. Next, demands, demands, grandparents, grandparents, mistakes, mistakes, once again grandfather, grandfather, next is road and garden. Here are some other nouns. Here is relatives and siblings. relatives, relatives and siblings, siblings.